Alright, so the next hold escape that I want to go through is 2 hands on throat from the front, arm straight. So, he has approached me and he's strangling me here. Now the very first thing I want to do, shoulders up, chin down. I want to protect my throat. I don't want to stand here and let him get a good grip of my throat. Chin down, shoulders up. Now from here, I'm going to take the palms of my hands, right here and right here, right into the lateral thoracic. Strike. If I can't reach with that, then I can use these knuckles to come in this way. So here, striking the lateral thoracic right here, okay, on either side. And I'll tell you that takes the wind out of you pretty quick. Here. From here, there's lots of things you can do, okay? You can simply break, push, move away. You can come through, sweep. You can strike, Z-lock. There's lots of different things you can do, but the one I'm going to show you is an arm lock. So from here, chin down, shoulders up, strike. My right hand is going to come up and grab his right wrist. My left hand is going to come up like I'm asking a question. My left foot and my left hand are connected as if they're connected by a string. When this hand comes up, this foot steps over. So now I'm in a horse stance. As I reach, I'm going to row the boat. From here, I'm going to add a wrist lock as he taps, okay? So I know he's hurting. If I want to get extra nasty, I just kick this leg out and drop my weight and dislocate his arm. But for now, I'll just hold him. And up. So one more time. Here, chin down, shoulders up, strike the lateral thoracic. Right arm up. Right arm grabs the right wrist. Left arm up. Left leg through. Circle around. And break base. Okay. Right there. And that is how we deal with 2 hands on throat from the front, arms bent.